Hello and welcome, wonderful humans, to Sword and Quill. There. Hello, test, test. There we go. The subtitles work too, so hello and welcome, wonderful humans, to Sword and Quill Thursday edition. It is a pleasure. I hope the stream will be a bit more juicy in comparison to last time, because last time I ran into issues with the Twitch integration. And I think we solved it now. Because subscription didn't work, I could get them to work, but the problem was in front of the screen. The problem
text to speech with V.
Problem was me. Music goes out again. Yes, the problem was me, and I did not recognize that I changed. I thought specific URL was the api.twitch.tv/helix was part of the API call URL, and I thought helix was a channel username from the person who made the mod, and forgot to take that to make that dynamic. Because usually it's twitch.tv/swordandquill, so it's the channel name, but apparently api.twitch.tv/helix is not a channel name but their official API address. So I was very dumb, but I fixed it, so it works now. So if you go into settings now, under other, so now you can see you have a connect button that goes through the authorization process, and then it says which channel it's connected to, and you can stay connected and turn the Twitch mode on and off, which is nice. So it should be running now. So when you're, oh yeah, this is a different bug that I, yeah, so you see Twitch settings, connected Twitch channel, Sword and Quill. So we are good to go. We start a run that should now start the voting process. So now that already worked last time, because I could I managed to get access to the chat, which seems to be a lower security or like permission threshold. So chat worked, so this part already, thank you Gravity, this part already worked. But yeah, I also added, I don't think we had this last time, I added a little instruction box, but I can already see that the channel vote thing is not there, because I added a thing. There's a little bar at the bottom that fills when you spend channel points, which is not showing because redeem, nope, points, what are they called, points? Nope, wedge something. Let's have a look. Twitch integration manager. There it is. The boom bar container, which is hidden, but it should show. So let's see where the problem there is. I think we say on the map screen that if we show the map, show map somewhere at the end, yes, we say if Twitch component is not null, and the channel is not null, which should be, I think we loaded that correctly. We can also just say settings, Twitch mode, and it should show boon bar. Does it do that? We are not unhiding it. That's one of the issues. Boon bar container hide. Do we say this somewhere? We do not say this somewhere. Could have. Okay, self show. So, wait, animation player, animation finished, animation finished, and then self hide. That should work.
Enable text to speech with V.
There it is. It's still a bit small. And I haven't translated the things yet. So that's fine. It's not 2000, is it? I don't think I set it to 2000. Which integration manager? Here, points needed. So we set that at, we do not set the, we actually do not set that text, do we? Progress label, here we go. Yep, okay. The progress label text, or just say do function method update progress label. Then we say progress label text is, oh, we don't need that, we just need this from this, and then we add current points and needed, and points needed starts at 0, and we say update progress label. And whenever update progress bar.
Enable text to speech with V.
I put it low just for testing, so it's 200. Yeah. Half a second is definitely okay. I need to hide it in the settings. Do have my notebook somewhere. Oh, I have my anytype. Bugs. Yes, I can just make a which integration nodes hide redeem progress bar in settings pause menu. Good. Then let's see if voting works. Let's say chat wants to go. It's a boring start. That is absolutely boring, isn't it? So for some reason the trash comes today, even though my app says something completely different. Why does it say today? There is misinformation. Let's quickly check. Because the waste disposal professionals were on strike last week, which is good for them. But also they didn't take our trash for a week, so a lot of has piled up, and some bags are on the side. So hoping they take those. Yes. Oh, they might be coming twice because it's so much. Because they were scheduled for tomorrow, that's why I'm surprised. But luckily someone put the things out. Okay, where do we want to go, friends? You can vote by typing the number in chat. So for example, if we... I'm not sure if we want to immediately fight an animancer, so I would say... Let's go for path 2, right? So votes will start here. At the moment, the game does not initiate the path. And you can vote several times, so that will be limited later. For now, you have to choose. And it's a recommendation. Okay, I've been so deep in the Twitch integration that I haven't played the actual game for a while. So relearn how it works. Oh, another one would kill it. I mean, we have chances now. What's the chance? 50%. We're feeling lucky? I think we're feeling lucky. So I have to change still the animation. Nope, we were not lucky, and it gets a turn. At least we got to test it. Gain to level. Oh, nice. Put it back. Yep. Looks like they took everything, which is nice. So how's my hair looking different every time I put the headphones on? Like completely different hair. Give it a little nudge. Now it should be way higher. 66. Still very high. How about we got it? And let's immediately put a wine whip on it, and the bar is back. Wine whip and change load on 2. 2 grows, yeah. Maybe move it. I can move it to the side because later you will also have more dice, so potentially hide it on this screen and pause it. Sorry. Where are we? There. Perfect. And now let's see. There's a 50-50 chance that we get a Twitch chat. And there it is. Twitch create trick card, which starts a voting process for chat to create trick for the streamer, but since we are not a lot of people right now, I will save this for later and go with a cheap bow, which starts the battle with 1 shield, which is nice. And then so those are the 3 things that we have right now. The path voting, which oh no, it's correct, because there's only 1 path. I programmed it that it hides when there's only 1 path. Correct. And we have another holozoom. We don't want another one, although I still want to make that sticker, that like Anemon set bonus or something. Ooh. Archie. Okay. Should be enough. No, 5. Not quite. Not quite, unless it's a... Nope, it's not critical. Sad. Ooh. 3 shields. Luckily we have. Should be enough, right? 4 is just enough. Haha! Sort of dope. Take it. Then soda bottle. Yeah. We have a lot of soda bottles now. Soda cola, which has a nice new icon. I like it. Need to draw them all of them. Okay, another wild one. Ah, the new as an amber. But we are out of line charts, are we? Yes. So sad. So sad. What's also sad is that the description stopped working. The subtitles sometimes randomly stop. Terrible luck. Okay. We switch to Halozoom so it can also level up. Because the dice rolling is what gives you the XP. I still need something that chat can do during the battle, because that's where most times are spent. So there needs to be something that doesn't distract the viewer, the streamer too much. Oh, we don't have a lot of wild nodes. Well, isn't that shouldn't be growing. Oh, right. Scorching body has advantage too. I forgot about that. Okay. So what could we do? What could viewers do? Without an overlay. I would love to have an overlay that intrudes less, but that like requires JavaScript, and I don't know how to do JavaScript. So what could viewers do? Oh, we have channel points. I mean, there is predictions. We could make a prediction, but that also requires the streamer to make a prediction, and I want something that people can do during the fight that doesn't disrupt the combat. What could we do? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, shoot, I didn't pay attention. Oh. That's fine. Oh, I could have just shielded up and would have been fine too. Nippy-doo. Oh, you're already level 2. Oh, we don't have point shots because we rolled a lot of wild wild nodes. So there's bits cheering. I guess we could add cheering. Oh yeah, I think I wanted to do that. Although I don't think I can test cheering. Turn shield on. Cause bits are the money pieces. And how much does cheering cost? Double. Well, let's use our reroll so we can get a... Nope, we just keep rolling 2s. Sorry, Asanem. Poke or Star Cloak? Yeah, Star Cloak. Now we can vote again because we have 2 choices. Go on, upgrade. Max shield to Kelbu. We're not gonna heal again. Let's go to the shop here. How much do we have? 73. That's not too bad. Soda Cola. Can't afford the rest. And another create trick. Hyperventilate. Gain 1 damage bonus. Why don't we start with this? And yeah. Let's see. Yeah, cheer could give the animal like a random buff. The biggest problem right now is that Twitch chat can't aid you, right? The voting for the path doesn't do anything. The channel point rewards that fill the bar give you a little bonus, so that helps you. If we add another thing like cheering buffs you in combat, that makes the game a little or medium level easier. So we also need to add something that makes it harder. Just a bit to balance the scales. I want to switch now. Oh, that was dumb because we had double bonus. Oh well. We will pay Vine Whip and let it grow if we can even survive that long. Yep, grow 1 out of 2. So that's good. Nope, dead. Color Zoom is still level 1. God damn it. Oh yeah. Reroll shit. Need a damage bonus. We need it. I'm gonna get 8 damage. Soul shield up. Precise damage. Still have 1 potion that heals more, the solar fizz. That's the one. Give us a nice damage boost. Why is it the sword? Didn't I change it to this icon? And we haven't scratched him yet. Wow. We even do, yes, we do more damage. It's 3 now. Oh god. Oh god. Inventory. Oh my god, that's the last one. Ha ha ha. We're so fucked. We are incredibly fucked. I don't think there's much I can do. Not with that inventory, I can't. Oh my. I thought this ended, sorry. Okay. We tried. We definitely tried the upgrades. I still have the cheated ones. We can unlock fusion though. Maybe more bottle caps. Hmm. Okay. So cheering. We subscribe to automatic. Oh, we already subscribed to cheering. That's good. So on cheer. Cheer. Cheer the channel. And I think it is data. User? I think it's data user. Is it? If somewhere on chat. Not word panel, word component. On chat message received data. Sender data. Ah, but this might be different. I guess we just print data. Someone cheered up the channel. And we print data. So what could we do? Could be a random buff. And if people keep cheering, how much does it cost? Should be cool, yeah. Excuse me, why I was so tired suddenly. Twitch cheer. Wait, how much? There. To cheer. Ah, right. Cheer is you can decide how much you. No matter how you select your cheer mode plus amount, you can enter a message along with a cheer. For example, if you. So somewhere. Each event sub. Description types, and we want cheer, channel cheer. What information are we getting? Channel cheer notification. Channel cheer notification payload. Here. Event is anonymous. False. user ID null if it is anonymous. Username. So how do we test cheering without spending money? Bits. So, ow. It's just bits. The amount. But it can't be the only interaction. Because that would log out people who cannot afford or don't want to pay something. PogChamp, yeah. Bits. So where did we get the username? Somewhere got it. Oh, what did I look up? The cost. The cost of the channel reward redeemed. Channel points. Channel points, channel points, channel points. About component here. There. Reward. Yeah, data. And then the name. So it should be data and bits. Bits. Plus data. Bits. Fortunately, I cannot test that. Or is there a way to test it? Which test bits without... I don't want free bits, I want to test bits. As channel owner. Look at the bottom of slopes near record graph and should test the widget. Test. What? What is this? What is this? Test. Test product. Test score. Sample response. As for extensions. I haven't tried if I can just write bits in my chat, right? Uh oh, careful. We're muted. Alright. Cheer. Wasn't it? What was the example? Cheer. Nope. Cheer. Wow, look at this. The infinite. Nope. Not what we want. Well, I think I'm gonna leave bits out for now. There's no way for me to test it. What else can we do? Right, people can roll, right? I think I made a roll. Oh no. No command. Don't want to make it too complicated. Okay. Combat. There's rolling, there's paying, there's executing, there's shields. It's not a vote thing, it's just a lot of numbers and shit, which is also not fun. What else do I have? Auto message. Nope. Channel follow. Right. Channel follow. But you can also only do that once, so it has to be meaningful. Has to be meaningful. Also not too much because of the balancing. Wow, this is difficult. It's almost as if a Twitch stream mode is difficult to make good. Channel chat message deleted. Nope. Channel chat notification. Notification for when an event has appeared in chat. Chat settings updated. Mm-hmm. Channel subscription message, channel cheer, channel raid. Channel cheer, what's the difference between channel cheer and bits use? Because you can use bits for something else. Channel unban request create. Channel moderate v2, channel moderator. No. So guest star session. Channel points. Well, we have those. Poll is nice, but also requires a viewer to make a poll unless we give permission for them to create a poll. Or a prediction. So, running a prediction. Creating a prediction. Channel manage predictions. Where curl, but this is not sure if you can do that with the documentation of the plugin. Says they changed it to app token and user token, and that apparently works with less API permissions or something. I'm not sure. Prediction data and got gift question as an example of term prediction. Mm-hmm. Prediction. So where would that be? Channel follow. Wait, event sub. That's event sub. What else do we have? Add on gift. Oh, utility. Command data. Also just classes. Connection. You can look if we have prediction somewhere. Nope. I think it's just for getting information, not for actually pushing stuff to the Twitch channel. That's fine, right? What could What could viewers do? How can we make the battle interesting? Viewers and streamer working together. Hmm. Oh, drawing blank here. Reducing the cost somehow. Healing can get out of bounds very quickly. Well, when in doubt, drink water. I spilled water on my sock earlier, and it's the worst. Wet socks are the worst. And turn reroll. Inventory. Why is this so difficult? Something with catching it, maybe increasing the catch chance could be something. Even if it's just by a few percent, because that can make the difference. Could also work on something else. I'll think of something. Yeah, somehow my mind is empty today. Did I use up all my ideas for the week? That would be so sad. So sad indeed. Okay, we can do that. Let's do something with a chat. Let's start somewhere. Yeah, let's just start somewhere. We make we add a new node and we call it Twitch Battle Component. Give it a script. Put it in our script Twitch folder. As name Twitch Battle Component. And then ready, we subscribe to Game Manager. If Game Manager Twitch component is not null, and Game Manager Twitch component message, chat message, connect on chat message. Sender data message string. users can predict which abilities, which tricks the enemy is gonna use by typing in the name, but that can only work before they roll the dice. As soon as it rolls dice, it should stop it. Right? Right. And also only one user. Predicting users. Array of string. We can play around with this, can't we? Can say I mean, often they use several techniques. Okay. Var predicted break is technique. And then for trick technique button in game manager, battle manager, enemy party. Yes, I know that. I hate that the autocomplete always stops when there's an error. Yes, there's an error because I haven't finished typing yet. Enemy party handler. Enemy techniques. As. So that's correct. Enemy techniques. I see I can't even click on this. Battle manager. Enemy. Battle manager. Enemy. What's wrong? Oh, because the battle manager never type. Enemy part tech. Do we have enemy techniques? Enemy. Oh, it's gone. It wasn't. It was not there. Enemy party handler. Enemy techniques. And it's gone again. It's what? Only string and string name can be used. Index for type. Red. Battle manager broke. Why did only string or string name can be used as index for type player techniques UI. Player tech. Wait. As player techniques is not an array though. Player techniques UI. Technique. Button container. This way. Which one grabs focus though? The technique button or the... Ooh. Anyway, guess we're gonna find that bug when we get there. Enemy techniques. Technique buttons. If button my technique no continue if it doesn't have, because there are buttons that if it has 3 techniques only learned, but there are 4 buttons in the game. You have to check that it's not empty, and then although it sounds bad to iterate through the buttons on every chat message. That's bad. Nope. Don't do that. We do var enemy tricks. We make it an array of... No, we make it a dictionary. No, we make it an... strings. Yep, we make an array of strings and then we say onk update enemy tricks and we give it new tricks. It's an array. No, we do it ourselves. We just give it... What do we give it? It can update that by itself. We either say enemy tricks clear, and then for button enemy tricks and button my technique name, and we have to translate that because they have a short string. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We can make that the predictions on every turn, so chat is not like a complete chaos field row. Then we say predicted trick. Then we go for trick in enemy tricks if message contains trick, right? Print gonna add a prediction for this by, or just here, predicts trick this. All right, then we say sender user and trick, because it is already strings. And if they predict it, we want a predictions. Is a dictionary. And then we say predictions. Trick. Oh wait, we also need to append these here. Set those predictions. No, we don't need to translate this here. We can just compare it. We need to compare this here. Prediction technique name is 0. And then we can count it up. Oh, but we also want to want to store who predicted correctly. Is it important? We can't reward it. So we can create, and we say amount 0 and users empty. Then we say, okay, then we say prediction trick amount plus equals 1 and predictions trick users and oh yeah, append and user, and but here we need to translate it because they will type in the translated word. And also we need to check if user predicting users has sender user, because you can only predict once. Burn. Else. No, we don't need else. You can just say predicting users append sender user. We can add them. And we also need a function for reset predict. And we say predicting users clear. And let's need to reset the database. The dictionary. I do that smartly. Guess we also make a function for that. Just long reset. Well, I have reset prediction, so I guess we can just do it here. Prediction unit clear, and then do this just without the appending the enemy trick. And also for key in predictions. Why are you here? For key in prediction, we set the amount back to 0. Correct. What else? We check the user hasn't predicted the trick yet. Okay, I haven't thought this through, right? The prediction usually benefits the user if they predict it correctly. What do I actually do with the prediction? Let's say 50% predicted wrong, 50% predicted right. Or one person predicted right. I guess the amount of people can compare the amount of people participating with the amount of people being correct, and if the majority predicted correctly. Then something good happens. Guess we can try. Guess there's just one way to find out. So if they predicted, they add +1. And we need total predictions. Doop doop doop. Where's the predictions? Then it is total predictions 0. And here we also say total predictions +1. Yeah. And then I also have to make this to a Twitch scene so we can load it. Battle scene as Twitch component. And then at the start of battle, start battle. The end of start battle, we say it. If game manager, which component is not null, and game manager settings, Twitch mode, then or Twitch battle component, Twitch battle component instead. Oh, right. The string, so we have to load it. Load. Instead. Battle component. Self add child. Which battle component. And we also need a variable for that. Why is it already down here? I'll call these which battle component. Okay, then let's use this. Load add as a child. And we have loaded the enemies here, so we can say Twitch battle component update enemy tricks. But then also when load next enemy. Nope. Oh, that's in the enemy party. No, load next. Load next Animon. Here we go. And then at the end we can check if game manager, no, if battle manager, we don't have battle manager here? Huh. Which is not null, then update enemy tricks. That works now.
Enable text to speech with V.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we died. Just pick any. Okay. So what happens? So we do actually the console. What happens if I write pout? Receive battle message pout. Okay. The battle scene has it twice now because I forgot to delete it here. So let's delete the Twitch battle component and go into the Twitch battle component, and we received battle message. Tricks. Print, comparing with music. No music. No music, no me. Okay. Where were we? Yes, the move prediction. And now we add, for whatever reason, this does not recognize. So we compare the message oops, message with the translated trick. Let's try. Let's see if I can type in some predictions.
Enable text to speech with V.
Okay. I mean, this is probably dumb. Out. Yeah. Receive battle message. Wait, it's not even. It's not even going through the iteration. Why? What is your problem? Oh. Right, because. No, wait. What trick and enemy tricks? Oh. Wait, no, we do update the techniques at the beginning of combat, do we not? Yeah. Here. This is start battle. And at the end of start battle, we update the enemy tricks if Twitch component is not null and we have the Twitch mode enabled. Well, we know it does it because it actually literally loads the thing, and then it might be failing here. So we can actually check if the enemy tricks are populated.
Enable text to speech with V.
So let's try that. Continue, start the fight, thanks you. And then we're gonna check game manager, current view, battle scene, and the Twitch battle component, enemy tricks. Yep, enemy tricks is 0. Why? Updating enemy tricks. See if start at the very basic. Does this method get called?
Enable text to speech with V.
Continua. Does it get called? This is already in the battle. Okay, I should probably put a breakpoint is much easier. Okay. It does get called. Does it go into the loop? Oh, we don't need it. We can just go. Or, okay, it goes in there. So it has a button. And button my technique. Oh shit. No wonder it doesn't work. I was checking if it's null, then add the data, which makes absolutely no sense. So now it should. Potentially we need to start this again. There we go. Okay, now we try pout. Pout with snap, pout with pout. Sonical predicts trick T pout. Aha. Alright. So it did find it. Okay, now it works. Good. So we don't need that anymore. We already have this. Predicts it. And then still don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but that's for something for later. So what we have to do in the battle manager is to save the prediction for next time. So when need a function handle prediction results. First we pass, and then we put it in here, and then in the battle manager on new round, no, roll new, roll new dice, run first round. No, that's different. Roll new dice. Now where do we call this all? Here, new turn. Okay, if not first turn, and we say if game manager, no, if Twitch battle component is not null, then Twitch battle component prediction and prediction results. And handle prediction results should start. No, it should not start with clearing them. It should become as the end. Also need to save which techniques are. No, wait. It has to be done by the intelligence. Because the prediction come true. Like the predictions are probably gonna be boring because they use like snap a lot or something. I mean, we're almost there, but intelligence. Pay dice. Also will not work with grow techniques because they will be readied but not used. So we do have to say it when it gets executed in the battle handler, battle manager, and then we say it's kind of boring when they use multiple techniques. Our which prediction executed tricks is array technique. And then handle enemy turn. Then say where's execute technique? Here. Okay, it's just the two. when enemy turn is done, then we say if which not null, which battle component handle prediction results, but we need to give it the array prediction tricks, and then let me clear it. And let's save first. Oh, we're still in play mode. Oh my god. So this needs executed tricks is an array of techniques. And then we say for trick in executed tricks. If predictions has trick and print predicted correctly. Predicted correctly, trick technique name. Breakpoint here to see if it worked. Print predictions.
Enable text to speech with V.
Out. District out. Oh look, it's not using pout. So now I'm going to predict pout again. But this time it does not add did it not reset it? Three predictions. Oh yeah, I mean correct amount. Yeah, it did not reset it for some reason. Because we need to do it You have to actually call it. Dumb.
Enable text to speech with V.
Let's try it again. Let's actually predict snap this time. Predicted snap. Huh. And 2. Oh. But does the prediction is that it got reset out? Okay, that worked. Cheat on so we don't die while we test. Oh, cheat is off. Was on before. Now. Debugger. String not in the arguments for format string. Oh, oops. Comparing trig technique name to yeah, predictions, I guess. So now we predict the head bot. Yep. Predicting head bot. Comparing tsnap to tsnap. Okay, I see a logic error here, but still, why do we not go in? Prediction has. Oh. Predict correctly head bot. Also has to be higher. If predictions track technique name amount is larger than 0. Then, so what do we predict now? Let's predict out. again. Let's go with pout again. Kind of feels weird that I think we should go for what it pays and what it uses, because we 90% of the time. Now, moment of true, nope. Why not? Why not? Oh, it's 0. I think we're clearing it off too early. We're not. It's dumb. Why are these things so complicated? Why are you 0? Why are you 0? They pout. Predicted, and it is now. Okay, now amount is 1. Huh? Predict correctly powered. Did I just not predict correctly last time? Snap. Nope. Wait, no. We have the order wrong. We have the order wrong. prediction has to be handled next turn. Damn it. Yeah, we have to put this into the dice cost components, the battle manager. Okay. Then go away with this stupid executed techniques. We don't need those anymore. Hope I know there's somewhere I have to remove. So enemy intelligence. And we say pay dice. And we say no, we already have ready techniques. That's all we need. Update paid techniques. Get next technique. What do we call this? Get next technique. Spend dice. So here. No, spend dice happens after the assignment. Not sure if I'm on the right path here. If they have an expensive technique, then people will also not predict that. And if you predict the technique they do rarely, and then you predict it right, yeah, but maybe if it's just adding little points. Dice assignment. I think it has to comment assign dice. And we don't want ready techniques because they can still be from previous turn. Okay, let's go to spend dice to send dice to techniques. Now we go in here. Prediction tricks append. High technique. Because a precise technique, if it gets paid, then it's definitely 8-4 offense. Okay. Target technique. Can't afford. If target technique is 0. Target technique is technique button. So which what? Why did you not find it? I have to reset it too. Append target technique, my technique. Well, several times, no? Sign dice. This is dumb. Let's reset this. Enemy intelligence. Just check. But they might have this from previous turn. Oh my god, what have I done here with this mode? I was thinking I could just check at the end of the payment just which techniques are just readied. But they usually don't have a ready technique. I can just ask for if it's grow. If we can make a special case for grow. That's fine. Ready techniques. So we just check for the music. And then ready technique. At the end of pay. Spend dice. Where is this called? Hey! Hey, baby hot dog. How's it going? I am melting my brain with all these things that I'm trying to do with this Twitch integration. We can try now. Any part here? Spent dice. Yes. I have worked on a Twitch mode. And some parts are already done. But now I'm working on something that happens in the battle mode. Because in battle mode is where you spend most of the time and there's not much yet there. So at the moment you can, viewers can vote for which path to take. And occasionally on a treasure chest there's a Twitch card that lets viewers create a custom move for an Anemon by voting. And then cheering builds a bar. If that's full, you get a streamer gets a random boon. And now I'm voting on predictions in battle, so viewers can, you guys can predict what moves the enemy is going to do, and if you predict it correctly, or the majority predicts it correctly, then I don't know, a bar fills also and then hinders them or something. I haven't decided what the actual effect is. I'm still fighting on actually getting this done. Dice payment done. Here we can do it now. So if which battle component is not null, then Twitch battle component handle prediction result, and what we give it to you is the enemy intelligence. Oh, because it's in the enemy party handler. Ready techniques. Ah, shoot. Bar prediction techniques, and say for button in this. Now we can hopefully test it just in a second. For button in enemy techniques, prediction techniques, append button my technique. Okay. Correct. We can try it. I hope.
Enable text to speech with V.
Also, it's really hard to not predict the technique that you're already seeing. So yeah, I'm gonna fight now. And now, yeah, god damn it. I mean, it's null. It's right here. Oh, because it doesn't have a value. Like this. Might still be the wrong order though. Because it should, no.
Enable text to speech with V.
Thinking is hard today. What's the order of the prediction when it actually happens? Okay, first, what? Invalid type function handle prediction results and base note which battle component the area of argument 1 array does not have the same element type as the expected type. Why not? Array of techniques is what you expect. And what am I giving you? I guess because we didn't specify it. Array technique. And ready technique is a technique button. And we pinned the button my technique. That's really the problem because I didn't tell it what array it is. Things are so complicated today.
Enable text to speech with V.
Just want people to have fun. Streaming this game, is that too much to ask? Don't you give me another error. You listened. Okay. So PB or hot dog. How should I call you? Or the full name always. PB hot dog TV. You can now predict. We can all predict what do we think it'll use. PB is fine. Okay. PB and J. We can type in the name of the technique, the trick that we think it's gonna use or pay for next round. So for example, it's using pout now, so I'm just gonna be naive and say it's just gonna use something else. So I'm gonna say snap. Now you can see at the bottom it says Southern Quill predicts trick snap. And you predict pout. Mind you, it doesn't do anything yet. I'm still working on the prediction actually working correctly. So now it is go breakpoint. Predicted correctly snap. Okay. Hello. Snap. No, not pout. So that worked correctly. And now we could do it again, but nothing happens yet, so I could say head, but should also probably check for lowercase. Oh, you're gonna go for pout again. I mean, it's gonna happen eventually. Or should enable cheat so we don't die. What it's gonna use? It's gonna use pout. Okay, that's actually a lot of fun. You guessed correctly. I should add the name here. Oh, but if a lot of people predict, then that make it. Yeah, oh, there you are. Amount 1 users, PB. That's awesome. Is there a certain library you are using for that integration? Yeah, I'm using the gift add-on. It's called this one. Godot. Integrate. No, what does it stand for again? Twitch. The first is Godot, the last is Twitch. I forgot what IF means. But yeah, it handles all the API connections for you, and then you can go to the Twitch API documentation and subscribe to certain events or read chat. The easiest thing is to read out chat. That's like a super basic thing. And now that works. So I mean, yeah, I can show you. Where are we? Are we paused? Yeah, we are paused because, oh my god. Yes, this works. So I have cheat mode on, so I can just not do anything. There we go. Oh yeah, this. Defeat it real quick. Then I can show you. Oh, I was waiting for it to quit. So here's the other mode. Here is the voting for a path, which eventually might be too much for all the things. Maybe just for the first pass. But yeah, now you could type in number. Let's say I want to go to the arcade. I vote for 3 and it's not working. Excellent. Wait, it's voting for this one. What happened? Like this literally worked before. Is it because we continued? Let me start it. Oh, because we are actually on the second. Oh yeah, the updating doesn't work. Okay, never mind. It works on the first, so here it should work. So now, oh, they're all chests, so it doesn't really matter. 2. Yep, there you go. Yes. There you go. You can vote multiple times because I enabled that for testing. But yeah, if they then grow, the more votes has, so the streamer can see more easily which one is winning. And then the other thing is bottom here. It's still small because I don't know where to put it without obscuring too many things, but there is a boon bar, and whenever someone spends channel points for any type of reward, the boon bar fills. So if you, for example, force me to hydrate, then that should already have to fill the bar, and if it's full, there are random rewards. There you go. Oh, it did not go. Why not? Do I have to accept it first? Let me check. Oh yeah, I think some have to be accepted. Maybe that's when Twitch. But I used it myself and then nope. Create a dashboard. It's good that you're here, because now I can actually test it with someone who's not me, which might circumvent certain things. Where is the reward? Reward queue. 3 days ago. Complete all. Nope. Hydrate. Why not? Is it paused? It might be paused. They just added a function where you could pause it. I mean, I still have to hydrate because you redeemed the reward, but let me test. Twitch message received. No. Literally tested it earlier. Worked. No, what? No. That might be set on pause or something. Boon bar container. There we go. So we subscribe to this. Turn it on redeemed. Print. Channel reward redeem. Wait, are we not actually? Twitch component, channel points. We're not printing this? Oh yeah, we are printing this, so this doesn't happen. Which is... Why? Is it timed out? Because there's like, the token is valid for an hour, but I think... I think it's renews the token automatically. Why now? Now that someone's watching, it's not working. Nope, it's just a message. Huh. Why? I spent so long on this. It's the classic curse. Yeah. The show effect. Are we not connected to the event bus anymore? Channel reward. Let me restart the game because that always forces No, but I just started the game. It'd be really bad if the game, like if you play the game for an hour. I could
text to speech with V.
I could enable bits. I'm not sure about those now because A, I cannot test them, and B, I'm wary about effects where people have to spend money, because if it then doesn't work for some reason, sometimes that's not good, right? Ah! Ooh, thank you. Wait! It did work, look! I have a debug for it. There, so that worked. Yes. So I did put the debug in case someone voluntarily ever spends bits without expecting like an in-game effect, so I can test it. So thank you very much. Like double for spending and for letting me test this. So yeah, PBS cheer. There's the data and the amount of bits, and I printed the amount of bits, so that works. So I guess I can think about rewards now. Okay, but this means, yeah, okay, so the event sub just yeah, there you can see, so it just timed out. Because it times out, it has to be refreshed after an hour. How do I check that? It does work now. The channel buff builds. And the voting works too, right? Yes. And I can now also show you the third thing that worked, which is, oh, I didn't put in cheats. So the fun thing is chat can create one of those tricks for me, and we can try this. There's a 50-50 chance that, yeah, but it does not. Of course, now it doesn't show now. Nope. Oh, thank you, Murphy. Hey, Najmagi. I'm just gonna collect you because I'm in cheat mode, which means it's always 100% chance to capture it. Because I'm the dev, I'm allowed to do that. Test. Oh yeah. Sorry, this only works on the map, the boon bar, and on. No, actually, it should. Oh. Now it worked. It worked, but one of the random items, we got a random item, but trying to assign value time item to variable of time technique trick. It already makes a trick item. So we do not need to create a new trick item, because a trick has to be converted into a trick item that teaches the move. But I forgot that the get the random item already pulls a random trick and then converts it into a item and gives it to you. So trick item name and item trick. So sorry. That didn't work. Non-existent and base label. Yeah, but now I think I broke it now, yeah. But actually, which screen were we on? The chest, right?
Enable text to speech with
No, not the, yeah, the chest. Maybe I shouldn't pause it. Oh, I paused it because then you cannot see if someone filled the bar. It could wait then. It could still fill it and wait, because then people spend the points and then it doesn't work because they are just like a second too late. That's also not nice. So I see we're 4 people in chat, so maybe we're lucky. No! Okay, starting to run. Nashmagi, take Nashmagi. I have a feeling they will give us. Ah, why are you small now? Okay. We're gonna get that Twitch card thing. Sorry, I have to slaughter you. Oh no, I don't, because I have cheat mode not on. There we go. Okay, come on, give me the Twitch card. People are watching. There's a 50-50 chance that Twitch. Where are we? Twitch integration manager. Here. At the very top. Twitch create trick chance 50. And here's Randy Range. Uh-oh. Friend roll Twitch chest roll the result, which I cannot print because I didn't put it into a variable. Bar rand, then print rand, and if rand Randy is below this, I bet you it was just unlucky roll, and now it will work immediately now that I debug it, because that is
text to
how it is.
With v.
That is how it is. It's just not working when you need it to, and then when you try to find, no, not continue. We need a shit. We need a new run. Oh look, now we have a lot of chests. Can RNG be on my side, please? It's my own game and it's turned against me. Twitch. Where is it? I mean, I could just turn it to 100%, but I also want it to work. It does from Edge. Nope. Where are we? Star Cloak, adding score. There, roll the 65. So yeah, we are just terrible luck. Okay, then nope. Integration manager, crank it up to 100. Not gonna work.
Enable text to speech with V.
Just terrible luck today. Start run. No, there's not gonna be any chests. Oh no, there are. Okay. Fair. Alright. I have a good. Yep. Thank you so much for stopping by and for helping me test a bit. Have a nice day and happy lurking. Okay, there it is. So I don't have a intro timeline yet, but once I click on it, it will start creating a trick. Going through several steps. You first pick the aspect, so like the equivalent of which element: fire, water, plant, moon. Then what kind of trick, like damage or healing or condition or buff. And then you get like 3 packages of stats that get randomly put together, and you can vote by typing the number in chat. So once I click this, I think it's 30 seconds. There you go. So now you pick what element you want it to be. So for example, I like wisdom, so I vote for wisdom. And then people can wait for the votes to come in. Also, like if they see it's over, they can press finish early. So now we can pick damage, buff, condition, or healing. So I can't decide. Shit. Well, if nobody decides, it's random. And now those are the 3 stats, which I have to put a little bit of color coding in because it's hard to read in that short time. So then you vote, and then oh yeah, and you can add a tag. I forgot. Like slow, which is bad, but you know. And then yeah, I can press finish, and we created Sword and Quilt song. Then it creates a trick with the name. So it takes the name of a random name of anyone who participated in the vote, and then a random word that's based on the category. So that's how we created Sword and Quilt's song. This could also be Sword and Quilt's roar, I think. Forgot what I put all in. But yeah, now it is here. And it is type wisdom. Actually, it's type, it should be type wisdom, so you should actually not be able to learn it. So I guess Sword slow is colorless. I mean, why did that not work? There is my technique, and it even has a description. It says Sword and Quill song. Chat created this with the combined power of Sword and Quill. So just me, which is kind of sad, but that's fine. Later, I believe in the future it will be a long list of people, and I probably have to find a way to not like, I already am terrified of channels. If a channel with like thousands of viewers plays this game somewhere in the future, and all my things are not designed for so many people, because I never expect big streamers to actually play this game. But you know, if like, I don't know, 50 people vote on this thing, then this luckily I created this as a scroll bar, so if it gets too much it scrolls. But still, the trick did not get the correct type. Trick, which trick creator? So the first is handle winner here. Trick type. Which type is this? So why? Should say at the beginning, I think I print out what my type is. This is combat, we don't want combat, adding score. Nope, that is combat, deleted. Here, my content is a resource, that's fine. Returning vote winner wisdom, okay. Okay, my content is the word curiosity, where it should be a number. Okay, Okay, so start next vote. For aspect in okay, this is kind of weird. I think if I iterate through the enum, this is a string, but if I assign it or ask for it, it's an integer. Just kind of strange, you know? Because here we print my content and then it says here the actual word, which is I guess we say for E and type size aspect is 0. Continue. Oh, because we don't want the none button. Your button I, but here we want global enums type keys I. Oh no, this one's a string now. Oh, because we can just say this. No? Oh wait, no, it's the other way around. Here. Global enums type keys I. I. There we go. Guess we have to try this yet again.
Enable text to speech with V.
Which is fine, because now it will work. Let's try that again, see if that hasn't... Oh. Why are all highlighted now? Okay, the cheering, the channel points work. There's a chest. With me. Let's try it again. Anything. Wisdom. Can accord given one from string. Aspect label. Oh yeah, because we change it now to my content. So global enums type keys here. Winner. No? Winner. There we go. Start again.
Text to speech with
Give me this. Try again. Wisdom. Finish. Hooray. Damage. Finish. Yeah, let's take the super expensive one. Finish. but give it a double. Finish. Sword and Quill's beam. Oh yeah. And now inventory. There we go. It's wisdom. Hello, it worked. Sometimes things just work. And the cheering works. And now I just have to... So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm just thinking loud. So the voting doesn't show for the path when there's only one path, right? Because you don't have to vote if there's one option. You can vote if there's two options. I guess it's still nice to have that. But for some reason, I think it does not... It does work here. There was a weird issue when I continued. When I continued, something wasn't right. But now it works. And the voting should also still work, yes. No, why did you vote for both? Huh? Why did you... What? Oh, I voted for the second one. Strange. Strange. Did anyone type it too? Mysterious. Anyway. So now we have to think about what we want to do with the predictions in combat. Because now you can predict what you think the enemy is gonna use or pay for the next turn. And so far I haven't done anything with it. So far the game can recognize that people predict certain moves, and then if they get paid, it also detects that it got predicted correctly and by how many people. So now the next question is what happens? So my idea was that some sort of similar to the boon bar that fills with when you redeem channel points, it should fill some sort of battle effects that are good for you or bad for the enemy. Maybe it can apply status conditions to the enemy. But where do we put this? We could potentially make this smaller. The history. Or we put it here. Because there's not a lot of information. Oh, and the music stopped again. There. And then we can fill, but how do we decide? It's also not that difficult to predict correctly. Right, because they use 2 out of 3 moves anyway, so it's like really easy to predict it correctly. But if the bar just fills a little bit, and if it's not constantly, if it's occasionally, it might be helpful. So what can we do? What can we do? Do we throw the same bar up here? Guess we can just reuse that bar. Where did we put it? The boon. We needed the boon bar. This one. Do we make a copy of this? Or do we just turn this into a general thing? Questions over questions and no answers. Random loot component. We potentially need. I mean, I can reuse this and have a enum where we set like which kind of boon bar it is. Potentially. Is that what we want, friends? Is that smart? I don't know. We can say enum bar location. No, how do we call it? Bar type. I don't know. Map battle. Let's do it, I guess, for now. Now we say export bar and we make one out of here. Boon bar type. Bar type. And then we can reuse it. We can reuse it. Still unsure if this is a good idea, but interactions can be tested and then I can still throw it out. And then we check where is the first thing that we need to change here. So then we say match boon bar type map. If it's the map type, excuse me, we do this. If it's the bar type battle, then game manager, which component, chat message, connect on chat message down here. Chat message sender data and message is string. And then wait, no, we don't need the chat message here. We need current points. Reward cost boon progress. They redeem affected of cost. We don't on chat message. We say add prediction points, and then we say it. I am not consistent with my code, but you know, one day I will be. And then what do we do? Then we say current points amount data. Where's data? Where does the data come from? On channel redeemed. Yeah. Nope, we don't. Yep. Okay. Because we haven't changed this yet on prediction bonus. We just add current points. And then we play redeem effect. Yeah, it's better that we recycle. We don't have to do this again. And we say amount. Then update progress progress label and check boon progress. And then we need the battle. Where are we? We're in the boon bar container, and the battle manager has wait, we added, oh yeah, we can just add it to the I'm bad at this. The Twitch battle component, which I think we have to change into a control node. Mouse filter mode. And because then we can throw it in here, the boon bar container. And then we give it a unique. We throw it in here. And then you are stretching all the way here, and you go to the top. I would say. No, it's just for testing. We can always improve this. And then what? Then the boon bot does not need to actually probably want its own setup here, but not now. For now we want add prediction bonus, not going to be private, and then we say wait, no, we are wrong. No, we are correct. Oh my god. What is wrong with my brand today? Twitch battle component. We have handle prediction here. Handle prediction results. Handle prediction results. Some are predicted correctly. Then we go to the boon bar, add prediction points, and we add the amount of people that predicted correctly. Yes, I think so. I'm not quite sure, but I think this is how it's gonna be. And then I have to figure out how many points needed. Yeah, 200 I guess is fine. So, oh, and we have to say that this is I'm not sure if this works. Just recycling the script.
Enable text to speech with V.
But if it works, then we have a basis for something that happens in battle, which is kind of nice. Okay, then friends, let's predict. Okay, wait, there's one thing I want to fix before. It is contains trick. If message to lower contains trick to lower, which means then you can predict, like you don't have to capitalize, which, no, why are you there? center is a control node, and which boom bar is a control node, so what are you doing? Why are you there? I don't like mysterious things like that, especially when they're
Enable
bugs.
speech with V.
They make me upset. Why are you there? Anyway, now let's see. I should be able to type in snap now in small. And yep, it predicted it correctly. So now if it does do snap, I think it worked. I saw something briefly there. The strangest thing though is where it is. Oh, what? What? Oh, the battle scene is also there. Oh, I think I have to put it in the battle overlay canvas. Or the battle, oh yeah, the battle canvas. Battle manager. Twitch battle component. And then overlay. Battle overlay. I think that's what we have to do.
Enable text to speech with V.
Aha, was just on the wrong canvas. Okay, now we predict snap. And anyone can predict anyone. And now I need feedback for how many predictions there are. But now, next turn, spends it. Yep, one went up. I saw it. And one and a 200. Now we just have to decide what happens when the predictions are through. Now we need some instructions. We need some instructions. We need a number here that says, that tells you how many people predicted. Right. But at least it's something then. Now I have to think about if this is like ongoing on the fight, which I think I'm against, because then people will probably keep spamming the chat every turn. So probably once the boom bar, I always say the boom bar is full, then there's probably cooldown. And maybe there are other smaller things that people can do. Like channel points should also do something here. Don't know what though. We'll see. I mean, this is a very basic version of the Twitch integration. I'm sure we'll expand on this in the future, but having something for like the majority of the screens or something, and tomorrow I can clean this up a bit, that the things are not on the wrong screens. There were some hitches, some glitches. Yeah. So I think that's something. What could happen? Healing could happen. status condition could happen for the enemy. A reroll could happen. An additional reroll would be nice. Because it's the start of the turn, yes. Yeah. I think I can play around with it. But let's wrap this up here. I've been racking my brain over this problem for the last 3 hours, and I need some food. Oh, yeah. Should we predict something real quick? Out. Did I predict it? Predicted it. One prediction for the goodbye. Ha! Predicted it correctly. Why is the small size so small? It's like 48. Anyway, I am wrapping up now. So we got a bit of momentum at the end. The beginning, I was a bit like, wow, thinking about what to do. But yeah, good things come to those who are frustrated long enough and then do other things. So with those words, thank you all for joining. I'll stream again next week. Until then, as always, stay hydrated, stay wonderful, and I'm going to see you on the next stream then. Zane out.